Hello, my lovely
friends.
Today I'm gonna go to Apple with my friend Patrice. You guys know Patrice. We are gonna go and get her phone warranted.
That's the tea, sis.
I was supposed to wake up like at 6, but I ended up waking up like at now. I have to ask my mom if we can take the car because yeah. She said Patrice drives like a maniac.
I look disgusting, don't I?
That's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna go to Apple. Let's get it. Do I have any boogers? Oh my gosh. My mom said I can go, so we're gonna go. Look at this bitch! She buying cookies! Oh my god, these are the good kind! Look how cute she is.
Apple better fucking replace my phone.
I'm eating this sugar cookie from Patricia!
Oh, this is gross.
We are here, we're in Moana. What's up, bitch? We need to get to Apple. We also need to find daddies. Brian, don't you love me?
What are you doing?
Vlogging, I have a YouTube channel. I have to upload content. Look at these buildings, like, oh my god. We are starting our quest to go and find Apple. Is this a Christmas gift? Look at that. Oh my god, it's been recording. Hello. Okay, guys, we found it. We're in this bitch. It smells weird in here. I feel rich just looking at all this shit. I had a pretty fun dream. I don't know what it was about, but I had a fun dream.
Get it because it's been past 60 days, but like, what the fuck? And then I was like, okay, but
Doesn't Apple have a 1-year warranty on their products?
and he was like, yeah, they do. And I'm like,
That's what I'm talking about. Can I get the warranty on it?
let's go get food. I'm hungry.
Tripping balls, that was nuts. That was crazy.
Can you see who got
that was like some lit shit.
Ready Player One.
Yes. Update, we are back at Apple. Daddy spotted. I repeat, daddy spotted. He's by the front door. We've been accepted. So she got it replaced. We just passed this fucking guy and he's like, oh, I'm not Filipino. I don't have cultural respect. Bitch.
You don't need to be fucking Filipino to have culture respect.
Exactly. This is my first time driving in town and it's very stressful. What the fuck? I'm good in my little ghetto one-roaded areas. This is a fancy elevator. They don't have a bathroom and I have to take a really big shit. Bruh. Okay guys, so I just got home. I did like the fun stuff, like I took a shower, brushed my teeth, and now I'm getting ready for the bed. That was like my first ever time driving in town. It was pretty stressful. It was very
Confusing.
I didn't know where I was going. Like, I felt very lost. How can people deal with this? I could never live in town. It was a blast though. Like, honestly, it was a blast. We had so much fun. I had so much fun personally. Oh my god, it's my cousin Dallas. I knew I heard a dumb bitch. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button down below. And yeah, have a great day and I'll see you guys later. Bye.